What's up guys, this is me Shanti and you're watching me on my YouTube channel The Layer V. If you're watching me in this video for the first time, then thank you so much for taking time out of your day to click on this video and even consider watching this video. Hi, hello, my name is Shanti. I'm from Singapore. I'm a Tamil beauty blogger and I create new content that revolves around makeup tutorials, beauty product reviews and as well as lifestyle content sometimes. And if this is your cup of tea, then perhaps you might want to consider supporting me on my YouTube journey. All that will be needed from you is to click on the subscribe button right down this video and there will be a bell icon next to it. Make sure to click on it as well, just so that you'll be updated and notified whenever new videos like this go up on my channel. And in today's video, I am a little bit under the weather and this is the makeup look that I came up with because I don't want to look like I just rolled out of bed. And if you enjoyed this makeup tutorial, then perhaps consider sharing this with your family and friends via WhatsApp, on your Facebook page and on Pinterest as well. If you'd like to know how to get this look, then please keep on watching. First up, we're going to be beginning the face. I've actually prepped and primed my face before. It's just that I forgot to include the clip. I'm so sorry. I'm going to be buffing the LA Girl Pro Conceal HD High Definition Foundation into my skin. And I felt like this particular shade that I was the closest to my skin had that tiniest dark orangey undertone, but it looks kind of fine on screen and in person, so I'm fine with that. To cover up the under eye darkness, especially when you're not feeling well, you kind of have this like thing with dark under eye circles, at least for me, so I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. Set them in place with a light transparent powder from Rimmel London. And to set the rest of the face, I do have a little bit of oily skin seeping through even though I am not feeling well. And then just to set the rest of my face down just so that they don't move, I'm going to be using a Sephora pressed powder. And to add a little bit of bronzing, I'm going to be using the LA Girl this dual space disc. I'm pretty sure you have seen it in my other videos. I'm just going to be using the brown color to contour just the perimeters of my face, a light touch of it just so that I look like I'm well and alive. And I'm going to be using a clean blending brush and I'm just going to be buffing out any harsh edges that may be apparent because I don't want to look like I have a lot of streaks going on my face. Now moving on to the eyes, this is actually a product from India. I believe this is from Sugar Cosmetics and I absolutely love this quad and the brown is to die for. I'm using the brown to just buff in lightly into my crease. And this gold shade, it has like tinge of gold and copper and it's just absolutely to die for. I believe that the quad is called Stronger. Can you see that pigmentation? I love this eyeshadow palette and this was all I was using when I was in India, in Chennai. I just feel like I look much more awake and better when I have like a quick stroke of liner across my lash line. And I'm using the Essence liner for this and it's really affordable and I actually kind of like this product. Is actually growing on me. There is no point on doing any eye makeup if you're not going to be topping it off with some mascara, so I'm going to be using the one from Essence and make sure to hit the bottom lash line as well. Lastly, for the lips, I'm just going to be using another Essence product and this is my recent new favorite. This is the YSL Volupté Shine lipstick in, I believe, in number 44 and I'm just going to be topping up the Cupid's bow with a little bit of Fenty Beauty highlighter and this completes the look. I still look a little bit sick, but hey, much more glam. That's it for today's video guys. I really hope you enjoy watching this makeup look for sick days. And if this is not your sick day makeup look, then please do let me know what you like to wear on your days when you're a little bit under the weather just like me. I feel like this might be too much for some, too little for some others. And if you enjoy watching this video, then don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed already, please consider doing so. All that will be needed is for you to click on the subscribe button right down this video. Make sure to click on the bell icon next to it also, just so that you'll be updated and notified of my next week's video uploads and the ones in future. I shall catch you very soon in my next week's video. Bye!